promised, I'm going to start doing some videos to help you if you're ever doing homework at home. And so what we're going to do today is I'm going to show a video about how to do our problem-solving strategy, our UPS check. And I have a pretty easy problem today, but I just want to make sure that we all know all of the steps. So first, we always read our problem. So our problem says, Osvaldo and 5 friends went to a carnival. They each had 6 tickets to use. How many total tickets do they have? So I've read through it, and so now I'm going to draw my UPS check. Now I'm going to go back through, and I've got to find all of my really important information. So it first tells me that Osvaldo and 5 friends. So that tells me Osvaldo counts and 5 friends. So we actually have 6 people. So there are 6 friends. And they went to a carnival. They each, that's super important, that's a key word, they each had 6 tickets. So that's important information. So each one of these friends had 6 tickets. Each. That key word should have told you already what we need to do. Because if we were to draw it out, if we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people, every single one of them would have 6 tickets. But instead of having to do repeated addition, we can just do our multiplication. So our thinking pattern here would be equal groups, and we're going to put it all together. So that would be our thinking pattern. Equal groups put together, and the operation is multiplication. So now I'm going to multiply. So 6 times 6, and if we're all studying our facts like we should be, well, then we should know that that is 36. So now I have an answer of 36. But we have to know what we're talking about. Because what if I said, oh, okay, there's 36 people. There's not 36 people. They have 36 tickets. Because the question was, how many total tickets? We already know how many people there are. So now my answer would be 36 tickets. And so that is an example of our UPS check. And we always need to mark, and I even can circle this because we've got Osvaldo and 5 friends. We mark just the important stuff in our problem, and then we get our important information written down. If we need to draw a picture, then we do it. But if we already know what our thinking pattern is, then we can just move on, then we can solve it, and then write our answer. Okay, thank you. Have a good night.